Snowstorms can be magical or totally chaotic. Here are 5 of the biggest snowstorms to ever hit the U. First, the Great Blizzard of 1888 buried the Northeast under up to 55 inches of snow, with 80-mile-per-hour winds creating massive drifts. Next, the storm of the century in 1993 impacted 26 states, dropping 20 inches of snow and causing $5 billion in damages. Then, the blizzard of 1978 slammed the Midwest and New England with 27 inches of snow and 15-foot drifts. The snowpocalypse of 2010 buried Washington, D.C. under nearly 30 inches, grinding the region to a halt. And finally, the Buffalo Snowstorm of 2014 dumped an unbelievable 7 feet of snow in just 3 days. Which one do you think was the most epic? Let us know in the comments.